Now this isn't Flint Creek, is it, Dan?
Do what?
This isn't Flint Creek. This goes into Flint Creek.
No, this is.
This is Flint Creek.
This is it, yeah. Directly across is Flint Creek West. It's a little creek that feeds into it. And you can go a mile or two up there, and then the trees and stuff block your way. But, yep, this is Flint Creek proper right here that we are on.
All right.
And as we go further down, it'll get wider and wider as we get into the backwater area. Like an old ramp right there.
Yeah, I see that.
See that flat rock right there?
Yeah.
I tell you, it's so low where this young guy was with paddled up underneath that. He could sit underneath that rock and kayak.
Oh man.
And then I've also done it so high to where we can just about reach up and touch the bridge.
Touch the bridge as you go under.
Start your GPS?
Yeah, I did. See these bat nests under here.
Do what?
Bat nests.
Oh, yep.
I don't know if it's another term for them.
Man, I've never been on here when it's had this much fun. This is crazy.
Yeah, this is pretty good. Moving pretty good.
Yeah, you can make this on today. Probably be good. It'll kill you.
I was about to say it's not too bad, man. As soon as I did, that breeze, man.
Yeah, that wind picked. I know we had that little gust of wind.
Yeah, I was about to say, you know, it actually feels pretty good.
Oh, here comes the boat. Check out this sign over here.
What does it say?
Alligators may live here.
Yeah. It's some, you know, that they'll be this far north as cold as it gets.
I know.
But I heard they can migrate pretty good.
Yeah.
pretty sure I'm gonna sit most of the day. I'm about to put my other paddle on.
All right, yeah, that's no problem.
Doing so.
Get away from this road about a half mile or so. I hate the road noise, but it's kind of far up here at the beginning.
Trying not to run into you here. It's
No.
pushing us around pretty good out here.
Do what?
I said it's pushing us around pretty good
I
out
know.
here.
I was, I had intended to kind of come up beside you too. Kind of push me into you. Yeah, I've never done it with this much current. This is going to be a little new experience for me.
They say it's always a different river every time.
Yeah, that's true. That is true. That first boat that come in while we was getting ready, I think they've been hunting. There's a lot of people that come through here on their boats to hunt. I don't know if they hunt from their boats or if they go to a spot and get out, you know.
Yeah.
I've seen a number of hunters getting in and out of the boats here. That road right there, that's Highway 31. Goes all the way to Birmingham on south. Which obviously it joins up with the interstate at some point and then splits back off. But there's the US 31. I think you made it in less than 15 points.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it widened out back there. That's what made it a lot easier.
Yeah, that definitely saved us from having it wide.
Yeah. Now the funny thing, it's shallow enough. You could have got out and just turned the boat around.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, I don't know. That might be above the boot there.
That one didn't want to let go, did it?
No, it didn't. Like this is a dead standing here.
Oh wait, is that a... Yeah, that's a sycamore.
I get back, I'm gonna look at that place on my GPS and see if anybody owns that property.
All right.
Cause it's a nice little. Even though I don't know, you look like you might have to walk down this creek when it's when the water's lower.
Yeah.
To get to the main creek. Yeah, something's there. I just bumped over. It's warmer back in there.
Yeah, it is.
I know that.
Nice being out of that wind.
Uh-huh. A little break. I love checking stuff like that out. You know, just
Yeah,
you don't know where it's
really
gonna go.
No doubt. Oh, there's battery number 1. Man, that'd have been a good place to stop back there. I might.
Yeah, that is sucking timing because that would have been a good place to
That
stop.
would've been perfect,